Okay, so for this one, number 12, talk about a nonagon. Okay, so that's 9 sides. And they tell you that each side is equal to 8 yards. So the perimeter, I always do that first. It's the easiest one. 9 sides, each one of them is 8 yards. 9 times 8, 72 yards. That's the perimeter. Okay, now to get the angle, that's over here. Remember, it's the amount of sides minus 2. So in this case, it'd be 7 times 180, and then divided by the amount of sides, which is 9. So that, if you do 7 times 180 divided by 9, that comes out to 140. So this is A. All right, now for the area. So for the area, again, we have to basically imagine cutting a nonagon. You can see I tried to draw one. It didn't work out, so I'm not using it. Trying to imagine splitting this 9-sided shape into 9 equal triangles. So I tried doing this, that I can't draw. So I went to here and I'm figuring, okay, whatever each one of those triangles looks like, I know the base of it is going to be a side of the nonagon, so that's going to be 8. And then remember that this angle here, it would be like taking out a triangle from here. So what that does is it cuts the whole interior angle in half. So I got the 70 by taking half of 140. So it's kind of connected. We take the 140 from there, we take the 8 from there. We're also going to take the 9 from there at the end. Okay, but anyways, so we have this 70-degree angle, 8 yards base, and now to find the area of one of these triangles, we'd have to find, all we need is the height of that, which is this part. If you cut this in half and take out one of those triangles, we said that'd be 70. This now would be 4 because we cut it in half, and this, the height, which is what we need, would be x. So now we have to set up a trig ratio with this right triangle standing here to find x. So we have the opposite and adjacent, so that is tangent. So we're going to set up tangent of 70 equals opposite over adjacent, x over 4. Tangent of 70 equals x over 4. Then to solve, we multiply both sides by 4. Those cancel out, and we're left with just x over here is going to be equal to 4 times the tangent of 70, which I did on my calculator, comes out to about 10.99. So what that means is that the height of one of those 9 equivalent triangles is 10.99. So now we can do the area formula. Half the base of one of those triangles. Remember, it's not 4, that's half of the base. The base is how long each side is. The sides are the bases. So if the sides are 8 yards, the base is 8 yards. And then the height we just found was 10.99. So half the base times height, 1/2 times 8 times 10.99 should come out to 43.96. Okay, so that means that one of these 9 congruent triangles, the area of it is 43.96 square yards. So we multiply that by 9, and that should give us 395.64. So that means the area of that whole nonagon that I could not draw is 395.64 square yards.